We recommend watching the entire video before proceeding with the assembly and installation of the printer to carry out the entire process in a continuous manner. Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. Here is the unboxing and installation process for the DTF InkOne DX7 printer. We start by opening the box using a hammer. We remove the printer by first unscrewing and taking out the iron protectors. Then, we take all the components out of the box. Next, we proceed with assembling the printer stand. First, we unscrew the supports from the floor fixtures and repeat the process on the other side. We insert the sidebars on both sides and secure them with screws. We place and align the bar connecting the sides at the bottom, securing it with screws on both ends. We add the second bar. Now we attach the holders that will secure the roll support. We tightly secure all the screws. Next, we install the paper tensioner supports. We place the paper tensioner bar. We unscrew the screws from the holder that will secure the support. We insert the first bar for the paper support and secure it with screws. We add the second bar and attach the paper supports to it. We place the stoppers for the paper support. We install the waste tank holder. We install the cleaner holder. We assemble the stand where the screen and computer keyboard will be placed. We set up the base for the computer. Once the base is ready, we proceed to place the printer and secure it with screws. We assemble the paper sensor support. We install the paper sensor. We unscrew the screws to attach the ink support and connect it. We assemble the connector to join the tubes. We remove the rear panel. Paying attention to the tube markings, we connect them to the ink levers. We reinstall the rear panel. We insert the thin waste tubes through the larger tube and secure it. We measure the height where the tube needs to be cut. The cutting measurement is at the height of the waste tank base. We insert the tube into the tank. We load the paper, ensuring proper orientation. We lift the paper pressure roller. We turn on the printer. Using the control panel, we move the paper to the printing platform. We ensure the paper is aligned with the metal strip that serves as a guide. Connect the network cable directly from the printer to the computer. It is important to make a direct connection and use a gigabit network card. Now let's install the driver. First, insert the silver USB containing the Hosensoft driver. Create a folder on your computer named InkOne. Then, copy all the contents of the USB into this folder. Safely eject the USB. Next, go to the Windows Security section. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, then Manage Settings, and add the InkOne folder to Antivirus Exclusions. Once done, go back to the InkOne folder and extract the contents of the compressed file. Locate the print desk file and create a shortcut on your desktop. Open the program. If your interface is in another language, you can change it. To do this, go to the Last tab, select the last section, and click on the second button. In the Language tab, choose your preferred language. For the changes to take effect, close and reopen the program. Now let's configure the IP parameters. Click on Advance, then Net Settings, select TCP, and enter the IP address 192.168.127.25. Click Set. If the connection turns green, it means it has connected successfully. Unscrew the ink cap and insert the corresponding ink. We shake the white ink well before adding it to prevent sedimentation. We activate the low ink alert function. We continue adding ink until the indicator light stops flashing. We proceed to install the dampers. First, we remove the screws from the head carriage plate. We take the tubes out of the bag and attach the dampers. We check the color order to determine their positions. We open the clamps to allow ink flow. Using a syringe, we remove air from the dampers. The extracted ink must be discarded. We place the dampers in position. We repeat the process for all the white ink dampers. We screw in the white ink distributor. We connect the data cables to the headboard. We reinstall the head carriage plate and secure it with screws.
we go to the controller to do a head test.
Click on Settings and then on Load Ink. Click Stop after 30 seconds and wait 5 to 10 seconds. Click Load Ink again. Click Stop after 30 seconds. Then, clean the injector. It is recommended to perform a normal cleaning first and then a light cleaning. Click Check to print or click Adjust. Click Nozzle Check. Click Print Adjustment. There are broken holes, oblique lines, and color areas. A clogged injector might be the cause. Cleaning is required until the ink injector is in optimal condition. Now let's install the software. First, copy the files to the desktop. Then run the software installer and install it. When prompted for the activation code, enter it and click OK. Click Copy. Once finished, close the installer. Extract the files from the compressed folder. Open the program to start configurations. First, select the printer model and click Next. Then choose the File option. Define the path where the ripped images for the driver will be saved. Click Finish. Now configure the default properties. The first step is to add the color profiles found on the USB. Apply the changes, and with this, the software will be configured. Now let's go through the steps to print. Start by opening Photoshop. To ensure a high-quality image, verify that the resolution is set to 300 dpi and that it is in CMYK mode. The next step is to create the spot color channel. To do this, Go to Select, then Modify, choose Contract, and set 1 pixel. Next, in the Channels tab, create a new spot color channel by clicking New Spot Channel. Name it 1. Save the file in TIFF format from File, Save As. Open the Flexi Print program and add the TIFF file. Double-click on the file to access its properties. We select the width of the film we are going to use. In the case of the DM4, the maximum is 60 centimeters. Choose the corresponding color profile and indicate the white ink channel. Once everything is configured, click Send. After finishing, open the Hosan Soft software and select the file. Finally, click Print.